Hi, this is Boris. Welcome to another episode of Sketchman Draws. So everybody's video is somebody's first video. So um, please follow my content at my website sketchmanboris.com. You can follow I do illustrations at sketchman_boris on Instagram, and Comics by Boris is the account for my comic strips. And of course, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. And of course, we have created an independent art magazine called BKK UNZINE, and this is the address. And the address and the link to subscribe to the mailing list for the free online art magazine is in the description below. So please consider subscribing. You'll be supporting independent artists. So today I'm just going to show you like little shortcuts, cartooning shortcuts for drawing a face. Of course I'm going to be using Robert Downey Jr. I just typed face on Pinterest and there were so many different pictures, but I like Robert Downey Jr. so let's use him, and we're just going to focus on the face, and of course his face is so perfect. So what I'll do is I'll just start by drawing the outline that the hairline is creating. So I almost see it as a mask, right? Like, I mean, I don't know if you can picture that, like a 2D mask instead of, because I think if I really think too much about the complexity of everything that's going on, you will never, I mean, you won't be able to start your drawing. But so you need to simplify everything in order to start your drawing. So here, I mean, I would say the eye line will be somewhere there, and the eyebrow line will be just above that. So the ear there will start there. And so you might have seen the my video. If you haven't, I'll put a link on the top, like how to draw body parts. So for the ear is basically C curves, like big C's and the small C's. And if you know how to do that, you'll know how to draw it in different angles. For the hair, of course, I know, hair is formed by different strands, but we don't really care about that in cartooning. Everything is just one big form, one big shape, and you can draw lines just to suggest that there are strands of hair, right? Like, and that your brain immediately understands that what you're trying to communicate through the drawing. Again, it's just simple lines. So for the eyebrows, for example, just 2 lines, basically really thick compared to the other lines. For the eyes, I'm just going with the upper lid, and that's enough actually. So actually this is a more, I want to say, more realistic version of like the really, like, you know, cartoony eye where you see the upper lid and the pupil. For the nose, we're not going to draw the bridge of the nose, and so here, for example, it's really the way the shadow falls there, it's going to help us. And I just, like, with 2 simple lines and just putting there like C curves there, and I have my nose there. Okay, I'm just going to draw that line, the crease that is created under the cheek. For the lips, again, simple lines, like just the upper lip, 1 line for the upper lip and 1 line for the lower lip. Of course, we have to draw the mustache to sort of course, but actually, yeah, I wasn't really going for likeness, but I feel like it's sort of maybe that facial hair is so iconic that really makes it look like him. But I wasn't really going for likeness. I was just going for like step by step, but it ended up being really great. So And when drawing mustache, of course, like just pay attention to the direction of the way the hair falls or goes. And yeah, so, and you can, from this point on, like you can just go on and add details as much as you want, but like this is the basic that I wanted to show, which is like how with simple lines, how can you like sort of translate like a realistic drawing, in like a realistic picture, into the vocabulary of cartooning, right? Like that's, and I think we'll see more of that in my next video. So and again, thank you for watching. I just wanted to make a short video this time. So if you have any requests or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And of course, if you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.